Okay, the second player, I mean, Artur Boruc.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, what kind of memories do you have?
Fantastic. He helped myself and the players who played with to be very successful at Celtic. He's an incredible character. I love working with him every day. There was never a dull moment. You know Arthur as well, obviously, don't you? You obviously know Arthur, don't you? Yeah, it was good fun. Yeah, I had red hair until I met Arthur, and now I have white hair. But in all seriousness, I think at one time he was one of the best goalkeepers in the world, and it's fantastic for me to see him back near the top of his profession again, starring in the English Premiership.